அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த வீடியோவில் UGTRB அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமில் கேட்கப்பட்ட மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் ஒரிஜினல் கொஸ்டின் அதற்குரிய ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் கீயை பார்க்கலாம். இந்த எக்ஸாம் எப்போ நடந்ததுன்னா 4/2/2024. இப்போது அதற்குரிய கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஃபைனல் கீயை பார்த்துடலாம். Part B 31வது question. A reciprocal equation of second type is. இதுக்கு A, B, C 3 ஆன்சரும் ரைட்டு. 32. The expansions of tan 4 theta is D option 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 6 tan square theta plus tan 4 theta. 33. If tan inverse of 2 minus I equal to x plus iy, then B option 4y equal to minus log 2. 34. Which one of the following series is valid only in -1 less than x less than or equal to 1? P. Log 1 plus x. 35. The equations obtained by removing the second term in x power 4 plus 20x cube minus 143x square plus 430x plus 462 equal to 0 is the star question. 36. The radius of curvature at 3, 4 and x square plus y square equal to 25. B. 5. 37. The slope of the tangent with the initial line for the cardioid are equal to a into 1 minus cos theta at theta equal to pi by 6 is a 1. 38. The value of integral over minus infinity to infinity cos pi by 2 x square dx is b 1. 39. The points on the surface z square equal to xy plus 1 nearest to the origin are a 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, minus 1. 40. The area inside the circle are equal to 3a cos theta and outside the cardioid are equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is d by a square. 41. If root 3 minus I7 is one of the roots of an equation, then the degree of that equation is a 4. 42. Which of the following is a root of 6x power 5 minus x power 4 minus 43x cube plus 43x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0? A. 1 by 2. 43. In which of the following the equation x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 has a root between 1 and 2? 44. The sum and product of eigenvalues of the matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 3 is B. 11, 36. 45. Sum of the divisor of 360 is A. 1170. 46. The remainder when 2 power 46 is divisible by 47 is A. 1. 47. The value of limit x tends to pi by 2 sin x plus cos 2x divided by cos square x is A option 3 by 2. The value of log minus I, B option I into 2n by minus pi by 2. 49. If alpha plus I beta equal to sin chi inverse of 1 plus I, then B option tan beta equal to tan chi alpha. 50. If alpha comma beta comma delta be the roots of the pi quadratic equation x power 4 plus p x cube plus q x square plus rx plus s equal to 0, then the value of summations alpha square beta square is C option q square minus 2pr plus 2s. 51. The value of integral over 0 to 2 x power 7 into 2 minus x to the power 8 dx is C option 2 power 16, 7 factorial, 8 factorial divided by 16 factorial. 52. Using spherical polar coordinates, the volume common to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 and one branch of the cone x square plus y square equal to z square is C option 9 by into 2 minus root 2 cubic units. 53. The cubic equation which gets the same asymptote as the cubic x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube plus x plus y plus 1 equal 0 and which touches the axis of y at the origin and goes to the point 3, 2 is the option x cube minus 6x square y plus 11xy square minus 6y cube equal to x. 54. The area inside a circle r equal to 3a cos theta and outside a chordoid r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is a option by a square units. 55. The radius of curvature at any points on the curve r power n equal to a power n cos n theta is C option a power n equal to n plus 1 r power n minus 1. 56. The volume of the region above xy plane bounded by the paraboloid z equal to x square plus y square and the cylinder x square plus y square equal to a square is B option by 2 a power 4. 57. The minimum value of total surface area of a rectangular box open at the top having a volume of 32 cubic feet is A option 48 square feet. 58. The value of integral over 0 to pi by 2 d theta divided by square root of sin theta into integral over 0 to pi by 2 root of sin theta d theta is D option pi. 59. The radius of curvatures for the curve y square equal to x cube plus 8 at minus 2, 0 is dash unit. B option 6 units. 60. Let S be the focus of the parabola y square equal to 4ax and rho is the radius of curvature at any point P on it. Then rho square pair is depend on which values given below. C option S be the whole cube. 61. Let G be the group of positive real number under multiplication and G bar be the group of the real number under addition defined by from G to G bar by y of x equal to log 10x then y is unknown on 2 and homomorphism. 62. If U is the ideal of the ring or there is a homomorphism y from R to R by U given by y of a equal to a plus u for all a belongs to R, then R divided U is A option a ring and a homomorphic image of R. 63. Let R be the ring and I be an ideal of R, then A option R is commutative. This implies R divides I is commutative. 64. Choose the correct statement. Star question. 65. Choose the correct statement. B option. Z is integral domain but not a field. 66. If An is an alternative group of n symbols and Sn is a symmetric group of n symbols, then An contains trace elements n factorial divided by 2. 67. In V3 of R, the vector 1, 4, minus 2, a, 1, 3 and minus 4, 11, 5 are linearly dependent, then the value of A is A option minus 2. 68. If the three vectors A, 2, minus 3, 2, 5, 1 and minus 1, 1, 4 form a basis for P3 of R, then the value of A is all options are correct. 69. The set of all positive rational numbers forms an abelian group under the operation star. Define A star B equal to AB divided by 2. Then inverse of an element A is T option 4 by A. 70. The order of the element minus 1 in Z, plus is infinity. 71. If A square equal to A for all A belongs to R, then the ring R is called a Boolean ring. 72. If dimension V equal to M, then dimension homomorphic B, F is B option M. 73. Let G be a group of all 2 cross 2 matrix A, B, C, D, where AD minus BC not equal to 0 and A, B, C, D are integers modulo 3 relative to matrix multiplication, then order of G is C option 32. 74. From the following statement, which one represent vector space? Is star question. 75. Let W1 and W2 be subspaces of a finite dimensional inner product space. Then A option W1 plus W2 orthogonal equal to W1 orthogonal intersection W2 orthogonal. 76. If f of x equal to x square, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and for each n belongs to z plus sigma n equal to 0, 1 by n, 2 by n up to n, n by n is a subdivisions of closed interval 0, 1, then the value of limit n tends to infinity lower bound of f, sigma n is C option 1 by 3. 77. If Gn of x equal to x by 1 plus nx, 0, less than or equal to x less than infinity, then the sequence Gn of x n equal to 1 to infinity is converges uniformly to 0 on closed interval 0, open interval infinity. 78. If b equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 4, up to 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power n, up to, then the values of GLP and LUP of B are A option 1 by 2 and 1. 79. The value of limit n tends to infinity 3n square minus b by 5n square plus 4 is T option 3 by 5. 80. Which of the following sequence is an element of L square? T option 1 by n equal to 1 to infinity. 81. If the roots of the auxiliary equations for a second order ordinary differential equations are alpha plus or minus root beta, then the complementary functions is B option C1 e power alpha x cos x root beta x plus C2. 82. The Laplace transform of the differential equation y double dash plus 2y dash minus 3y equal to sin t is star question. 83. A differential equation satisfied by the family of concentric circles whose center at 0, 0 is C option x plus y dy by dx equal to 0. 84. The singular solutions of a partial differential equation represent the days of the family of surfaces represented by the complete solutions of the partial differential equations. D. Envelope. 85. The equation of the surface satisfying 4yzp plus q plus 2y equal to 0 and passing though y square plus z square equal to 1, x plus y equal to 2 is our question. The value of integral over 0 to infinity sin square dx by x square dx is C option by 2 t. 87. The partial differential equations of all surfaces of revolution giving z-axis as the axis of rotation. C option y dou z by dou x equal to x dou z by dou y. The equations alpha x y cube plus y cos x dx plus x square y square plus beta sin x dy equal to 0 is exact if C option alpha equal to by 3, beta equal to 1. 89. The partial differential equations obtained after eliminating arbitrary functions from z equal to f of x plus t plus g of x minus t is the star question. 90. The function which is not piecewise continuous among the following is dash. C option f of t equal to e power minus t over minus infinity to plus infinity. 91. The differential equation dy by dx plus b of y equal to q y power n, where p and q are functions of x only, known as dash. D. Bernoulli equation. 92. The value of e to the power 0 to infinity t e power minus 3t cos t dt is dash. T option 2 by 25. 93. Which of the following is not inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square? D option f of t equal to e power t, t1 not equal to 5, 8. 6 t equal to 5. 0 t equal to 8. 94. The equation which is not an exact equation among the following is y dx plus x cube y square ty equal to 0. 95. The value of the integral over minus infinity to infinity sin 3t delta t minus by 2 tt is minus 1. 96. If f of s equal to root of 2 by sin as by s and f of x equal to 1 for modulus x less than a, 0 for modulus x greater than a greater than 0, then the value of the integral over 0 to infinity sin t by t the whole square dt is equal to C option pi by 2. 97. The value of double integral over s f vector dot n vector ds over the sphere x square plus y square plus z minus 1 the whole square equal to 1, where f vector equal to x I vector minus y j vector plus 2 z k vector is equal to C option 8 pi by 3. 98. If f face of f of x equal to f of s, then the value of f base of x is equal to b option minus is f of s. 99. The value of the integral over 0 to 1 e power t I plus e power minus 2 t j plus t k vector tt is equal to C option e minus 1 I vector minus 1 by 2 e power minus 2 minus 1 j vector plus 1 by 2 k vector. 100. Let f of x equal to x square be the function depend on the interval 0, 2 by, then the Fourier series constant a n for n not equal to 0 is equal to p option 4 by n square. 101. The value of integral over c t z divided by z into z square plus 4 c belongs to modulus of z equal to 1 is b option pi I by 2. 102. The angle of rotation at a point z equal to 1 plus I by 2 under the mapping w equal to z square is b option pi by 3. 103. The function f of z equal to e power z by z gas only one singular point z equal to 0. 104. The radius of convergence of the power series summation n factorial by n power n z power n is a option E. The value of z which satisfies modulus of z minus z equal to 1 plus 2i is star question. 106. If the power series in z is convergent at z equal to z1, then the circular open disk modulus of z less than modulus of z1 it is absolutely convergent. 107. If u equal to e power minus y sin x is harmonic, the analytic functions giving u as its real part is a option e power minus y sin x minus I cos x. 108. A mapping which is isogonal but not conformal is b option z bar. 109. The residue of z square e power 1 by z at the point z equal to 0 is c option 1 by 6. 110. The center and radius of modulus of z minus 2 minus I equal to 3 are a option 2 plus I, 3. The order of the fold z equal to 0 of the function f of z equal to 1 minus sin z by z power 5 is A option 5. 112 by Cauchy residue theorem, the rule over C f of z is equal to C option 2 by I summation j equal to 1 to n residue of f of z comma zj. 113, the value of the constant a so that n of x comma y equal to ax square minus y square plus xy is harmonic. A option 1. 114, the expansion of 1 by z square as 1 minus 2 of z minus 1 plus 3 z minus 1 the whole square minus 4 z minus 1 the whole cube plus up to is valid for all z in C option modulus of z minus 1 less than 1. 115, the 0 of f of z equal to z cube minus 1 by z cube plus 1 or dash. A option 1, comma minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, comma minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. 116, the a cone whose height is equal to 4 times the radius of its face is used from a point in the circumference of its base. Then the position of equilibrium. Star question. 117. A point is moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second and at the subsequent instant it is moving at the same rate in a direction inclined at 30 degree to the former direction. Then the change of velocity is dash meter per second. B option 5.176. 118, a man can swim directly across a river of width a meters in t1 seconds, no current. And when there is current in t2 seconds, then the speed of the current is C option A root of t2 square minus 2 square by t1 t2 meter per second. 119, 4 forces equal to P, 2P, 3P and 4P are respectively acting along the four sides of squares ABCD taken in order then the magnitude of the resultant force. A option 2 root 2P. 120, a steel ball is let fall through a kite of 0.64 meter on a plate of steel. The kite through which it rebounds is 0.36 meter. Calculate the coefficient of resistance. B option 0.75. 121. If integral over r vector cross t square r vector by tt square tt equal to r vector cross t r vector by tt plus c, then the value of r vector cross t r vector by rt tt is where r vector equal to 5t square I vector plus t j vector plus minus t cube k vectors and c is constant. C option minus 2t cube I vector plus 5t power 4 j vector minus 5t square k vector. 122. If f vector equal to 2xy plus z cube I vector plus x square j vector plus 3x z square k vector is a conservative vector field, then the value of y is equal to x square y plus x z cube plus g plus c. 123, necessary and sufficient condition for the vector v of t to have the constant direction is B option, v vector cross dv by dt equal to 0. If C is a closed curve, then integral over C r vector dr is equal T option 0. 125, if f vector equal to xy I vector plus y z square j vector plus x z k vector and v is a bounded by the planes x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, x equal to, y equal to 1, z equal to 3, the value of triple integral v delta f vector dv is equal to B option 30. If y minus x by 2 the whole square equal to y square by 12 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square cos nx in the interval 0, 2 by, then the value of summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square is equal to C option by y square by 6. 127. If f of x equal to x sin x is defined in the interval 0 less than x less than 2 by, then the value of the Fourier constant a0 is equal to a option minus 2. 128. A Fourier transform of f of x for f of x equal to 1 modulus of x less than a, 0 modulus of x greater than a greater than 0 is equal to a option root of 2 by pi sin as by s. 129. If a vector and b vector are irrotational, then a vector plus b vector is solenoidal. 130. If C is the triangle bounded by the lines y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to x, then the value of the interval C xy minus x square dx plus x square by dy is equal to p option minus 1 by 12. 131. F of x equals sin x by x, x belongs to R's, x not equal to 0 is star question. 132. Which of the following is true? Close interval 0, in x, open interval x 0 less than x less than 1 is open in close interval 0, 1. 133. The value of C of Foole's theorem for f of x to sin x in close interval 0, 5. T option by 2. 134. Which of the following is not a convergent sequence? D option minus 1 to whole power n equal to 1 to infinity. 135. F of x equal to x power p sin 1 by x, x not equal to 0, 0 x equal to 0 is differentiable at x equal to 0 if c p greater than 1. 186. Which of the following is an open set in R square? A option over x, y belongs to R square ax plus by less than x less than c. 137. Which of the following function is not uniformly convergent? P option f of x equal to 1 by x 0 less than x less than 1. 138. If G1 and G2 are open subset of the metric space M, then G1 intersection G2 is A option open. 139. The function f of x equal to x sin 1 by x if x not equal to 0, 0 if x equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0 but not differentiable at x equal to 0. 140. First, every Cauchy sequence contains convergent subsequence. Second, every monotone sequence contains convergent subsequence. Third statement, every bounded sequence contains convergent subsequence. Every bounded sequence contains convergent subsequence. All are true. C option. A ball of mass m imprints on another of mass 2 meter which is moving in the same directions as the burst but with 1/7 of its velocity. If v equal to 3 by 4, what is the velocity of first ball after impact? D option v1 equal to 0. 142. Identify the components of velocity of a particle in the radial and transverse direction. Star questions. 143. If the maximum velocity of the particle moves exactly in sample harmonic motion is 1 meter per second and its speed is 1/5 of the second, then the amplitude is B option 1 by 10 by meter. 144. The magnitude of the resultant of two equal forces inclined at an angle alpha is C option 2b cos alpha by 2. 145. A particle is projected with a velocity u making an angle alpha with the horizontal, then the time of flight is 2u sin alpha by g. 146. One ship is sailing due east at the rate of 12 km per hour and another ship is sailing due north at the rate of 16 km per hour, then the relative velocity of first ship with respect to the second is T option 20 km per hour. 147. Two forces of magnitudes under newtons and 150 newtons are acting simultaneously at a point. If the angle between the forces is 45 degree, then the resultant force is A option 232 Newton. 148. The moment of inertia of solid right circular cone of height, space, radius r and semi-vertical angle alpha about its axis is D option 3m r square by 2. D 3m r square by 10. 149. The equation of the central orbit in polar coordinates is D option d square u by ty square plus u equal to minus pi of r by chi square u square. 150. The couple consists of which of the following? These are questions. 151. In m slash I colon infinity f by fo model, the effective arrival rate of customers is star question. 152. The critical path of the following network problem is B option 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 153. An item is produced at the rate of 50 items per day. The demand occurs at the rate of 25 items per day. If the setup cost is Rs 100 and holding cost is Rs 0.01 per unit of item per day, then what is the economic lot size for one run if no shortage is allowed? C option 1000 units. 154. If the following pay of matrix is strictly determinable, then the value of lambda lies in the interval C option close interval minus 1, 2. 155. A television repairman finds that the time spent on his job's case on exponential distribution with mean 30 units if the repair sets in the order in which they come in, and if the arrival of sets is approximately Poisson distribution with the average rate of 10 per 8-hour day, the repairman's expected idle time in each day in hours. These star questions. 156. A customer arrives at the clinic at the rate of 8 per hour and the doctor can serve at the rate of 9 per hour. Arrivals follow Poisson distributions and service time follow exponential distribution. Then the probability that a customer does not join the queue and walks into the doctor's room is B option 1 by 9. 157. The optimal solutions of the following linear programming problem. Minimize z equal to 20x1 plus 10x2 subject to the constraint x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 40, 3x1 plus x2 greater than or equal to 30, 4x1 plus 3x2 greater than or equal to 60, x1, x2 greater than or equal to 0 is A option x1 equal to 6, x2 equal to 12, z equal to 240. 158. The optimum strategy of player A for the following game A equal to 0, 1, 2, 1. This star question. 159. The assignment cost in rupees for the following assignment problem. D option rest 23. 160. The following linear programming problem maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 3x2 subject to the constraint 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1, x1 plus 4x2 greater than or equal to 6, x1, x2 greater than or equal to 0 has no feasible solution. 161. There are 64 beds in the garden and 3 seeds of a particular type of flower are sown in each bed. The probability of the following being white is 1 by 4. Find the number of the beds with 3 white flowers. D option 1. 162. In a series of causes actually embedded by small box, 70% of inhabitants are attacked and 85% have been vaccinated. What is the lowest percentage of vaccinated that must have been attacked? A option 64.7%. 163. In a certain distributions, the following result were obtained: x bar equal to 45, median equal to 48, coefficient of skewness equal to minus 0.4. Find standard deviation. B option 22.5. 164. Fisher's ideal index is C option geometric mean of Laspieris and Fauci's index. 165. 60% of the employees of the XYZ corporations are college graduates. Of these, 10% are in sales. Of the employees who did not graduate from college, 80% are in sales. What is the probability that an employee selected at random is in sales? C option 0.38. 166. Suppose two events A and B are independent, then whether the following is or are true. The events A and B complement are independent. The event A complement and B are independent. The event A complement and B complement are independent. 3 option is correct. 167. A letter is known to come either from TATANAGAR or from Calcutta. On the envelope, just two consecutive letters TA are visible. What is the probability that the letter come from Calcutta? B option 4/11. 168. 10 coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at least 7 gets. C option 176/1024. 169. The quartiles of normal distributions are 8 and 14 respectively. Then the mean and standard deviation respectively are is star question. 170. Given sigma square equal to 11/25, nu 3 equal to 32/875, nu 4 equal to 3693/8750. Find the coefficient of skewness and coefficient of vertexes. Star question. 171. The range of values of P and Q that will render the entry 2,2 a saddle point for the game is star question. 172. Two players X and Y play a game of matching two coins. X wins 1 unit of value when both are cat, and he has nothing when both are tied. He loses 1/2 unit of value when the coins do not match. Then the value of the game is C option -1/8. 173. The initial basic feasible solution by using vocal approximation for the following transportation problem is B option 12,075. 174. In an assignment problem, if there are n jobs and n workers, then the total number of possible assignments is A option n factorial solutions. 175. In a service counter, the arrival of customers follow Poisson distribution with the arrival rate of 12 customers per hour, and the service time follows exponential distribution with The service rate of 15 customers per hour. The probability of having 5 customers in the entire system is B option 0.2 into 0.8 power 5. 176. Find the median of continuous random variable x. Given that its density function is f of x equal to 1 divided by y of 1 plus x square minus infinity less than x less than infinity. A option 0. 177. A speaks truth 4 out of 5 times. A die is tossed. He reports that there is a 6. What is the chance that actually there was 6? B option 4 by 9. 178. The arithmetic mean of a series of 20 items were calculated by the student as 20 cm, but while calculating on item 30 was misread as 80. Find the correct arithmetic mean. B option 19.15. 179. If covariance of x, y equal to 10, variance of x equal to 16 and variance of y equal to 9. Find the coefficients of correlations. B option 0.833. 180. For the moderately skewed data, the arithmetic mean is 200. The coefficients of variance is 8 and the coefficient of skewness is 0.3. Find the more star question. Thank you, friends.